Okay, so my exams are going on, and this is the last video of this year or something. So this is a tutorial on how to just download this Nitro sensor application. I'm using Acer Nitro, and I have realized that I don't have this. So maybe you have also stuck in this situation somewhere, so you have to just download it, even though like everyone from the computer science stream can just go and download this without even the tutorial, but it's actually for those who are not from this field. So what you have to do, you have to just go in your browser, you can just go in your search engine and just do like the Nitro, just download this, download Acer Nitro and sensor. You can just see this. So it will redirect to this Acer communication. So this is the same website I just opened. So I just show you like how to reach there. Then you can see here, you have to just need your drivers. Just go to this URL, and then here you have to search your model number, SNID, or your serial number. You can just see this in your laptop at the back side of your laptop if that's not erased for some reason, because that's the case for everyone. So don't worry about it. If you are able to have this, there are like this another article where you can find how to do this. So it will show you where it is, like in the backside. But even though if you don't have, then you have to download this serial number detector tool. So this detection tool will just gonna detect your serial number and give it to you. So I've already downloaded it. I will just show you like how to use that. Here is the detection tool, and now I know what is my product name and everything. So just exit it out, go back to here where we have to download our Nitro sensor. What was mine? Is a Nitro 5, right? Nitro 5 AN 515, I guess. Okay, yeah, 515 and 42 maybe. Yeah, this one is my model number, and this is actually the product number where it works. And then you have to go to the application. See, don't go here drivers. You don't need any drivers. You need an application. So here's your Nitro sensor. Then download it. It's just 26.67 MBs, and I already have that. So I just make this video after downloading this. I don't know why, because maybe there are someone who having problem in doing this. So there's a Nitro sensor. Just go. I don't buy this. Oh, then your setup. It is easy. You can also unzip it if you want, but I prefer this way in Windows. Well, you have to unzip on Linux, but if you are in Windows, then you have to do this and then wait for this one. It's gonna take a while in my case, because I don't know why. Maybe many processes are working there, and all the architecture has been fucked up. So yeah, so let's go. Yeah, now finish, and let me minimize everything, and now I can use my sensor. You can see there it's gonna show you. Okay, here it goes, NitroSense, and now I can have back my whole control of my fan, my GPU and CPU, and best thing here, the keyboard lighting. I can have that. I can change my colors. So if you are struggling with that, how to download this, so this is the way. So yeah, bye guys, and I will see you in a hacking video, not a tutorial on this. This is a tutorial I want to make.